hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a little bit different editing style than I normally do. Let me know down in a comment below if you enjoyed it. I'm trying some different editing styles to try to mix it up a little bit, and I need some feedback to know what you guys like. So leave a comment down below. Anyways, I love this piece. It is super fun and bold, very different from what I typically do. But this was such a cute little French Providential style piece, and it was very much neglected, so it was a perfect piece to do something bold and crazy with, and I love how it turned out. So let's talk finances and how much I bought this piece for and how much it cost to redo it. So I picked this up at my local thrift store for $3, and to redo it, it didn't cost me very much. I used some leftover paint that I've used on several other projects, so generously $2 on paint. For the stickers, I got these at Dollar Tree, so it was $2 for the stickers. And then for the sealer, I figured I was about $3. So I have about $10 into this piece. So I'm thinking I'm gonna list this on Facebook Marketplace for about $60 or $55. Just because it's a single nightstand, it's not worth as much as if I had two of them. And again, in my area, a lot of people aren't willing to pay very much, especially for end tables. I don't sell them very well, but this is just a fun little piece. I know it's not gonna fit everybody's taste, so I'm not gonna be able to charge a whole lot. But anyways, it's just a fun little piece just to break up what I normally do. So yeah, it was really fun. I'm in the middle of working on a couple dressers, and I'm kind of stuck on them. Not really, but I just need to procrastinate on them. So this was a fun little piece to break it up. It didn't take me very long. And this was a really nice piece. I was actually surprised. So I believe this is cherry wood, and this piece is solid. There's no veneer on here, it's just solid wood. So it was a really nice piece. I really like how it turned out. I would love to know your guys' thoughts on it, on how it turned out. So yeah, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in a later video.